These are the beauty obsessions shaping our new season, and let's see how quickly I can recognise them. Okay, so opening clue number 1. I'm feeling really nervous. Okay. Okay, so this is a gorgeous blurred matte lip. I actually love a blurred lip. I don't wear a lot of lip, but when I do, I really like it to be quite soft and blurred, so this is stunning. It looks quite sexy. It looks a little bit more interesting. I think it probably is my #1 favourite lip trend coming through to next year. I either like a blurred matte finish lip or like a true 90s gloss. So like full, very binary, but this I think is stunning. Okay, now I think you started me on an easy one because I do think I know what this is. Although there could be famous last words, I think this is the Maximal MAC lipstick in the blur finish. Am I right?
Yes, well done.
Okay. These are genuinely stunning. Now this is the Go Retro shade, which is like a really, really gorgeous, like bitten cherry. And it's so, so nice. So you can layer it to give it more of a bold finish, but actually, even if you just do a soft look, you can see that it just blends really, really nicely. It's gorgeous. It's lovely. Clue 2. So it's definitely got something fruity in it. It's quite berry-y, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? Is it the YSL Libre Berry Crush?
Yeah.
Yes?
Very good.
Okay, so we first experienced this when the YSL team shared it with us a few months ago, and the entire fragrance buying team fell in love with this. The gourmand trend for us is been one of our biggest focuses for 2025, and it's going to be even bigger and even stronger as we go into 2026. So think about any fragrance that reminds you of something edibly delicious. So it feels quite sensual. It's fragrances that you want to eat because they just smell so incredible. So that could be from a vanilla family or the berry family, but anything that just feels edibly delicious. And this we also fell in love with even more. It's stunning. So it's the Libre that you know and love, but it's just got that really, really lovely fruity undertone. So if you're a fan of Libre or any kind of fresh berry scents, this will be the one for you. It's genuinely, it's gorgeous. Yeah, it's stunning. Lovely.
This next clue, Billie, you'll be needing this blindfold.
I hoped you were just going to say, guess what product this is, and I was going to just say a blindfold.
Pop that on for us.
Okay. Oh
lovely.
God, guys.
Yes.
Is something going to come out at me?
Here it is.
Can you guess the product?
Oh, I've got to guess it by feel?
Yes.
Okay. Well, okay, it's a glass bottle. It's not fragrance because it has a nozzle. So it's either going to be skincare or makeup.
Does it feel familiar in any way?
It does feel familiar, but I now can't think why it's familiar.
What about the texture of the bottle?
Texture of the bottle, so it's a heavyweight glass bottle, feels gorgeous, feels luxe, it feels weighty. I definitely know what this is. I definitely know what this is. Okay. Oh, I think that feels like makeup because it feels thicker than a serum.
Yeah.
Okay, you've got to give me a clue. Give me a clue. It's a foundation, okay. I know exactly what this is.
Yeah.
Is this the reform of Estee Lauder Double Wear?
That's the one.
Yes!
Well done.
Okay. Okay,
Feel
great.
free.
Whew. Okay. So this is the reform of Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is like one of the most iconic beauty products of all time. And they're relaunching a new formulation for it to make it even better. I need to be careful what I say here because this is under embargo and I don't want to get in big trouble. But this is genuinely phenomenal. It's gorgeous. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear that we all know and love, that we all have come to trust so much with our skin. But it's even more breathable. It's got even more skincare benefits in it. It's got SPF 10 in it, which is great just to keep that like SPF protection up throughout the day. This is going to be phenomenal. And I'm so excited to finally be allowed to talk about it when it's been under embargo for so long and keeping it a secret has been really hard. So this is really going to be one of the products to watch for the new season because it's really, really good.
Oh
my gosh, well, this is giving me extreme anxiety. 0 clues.
0 clues.
Guys, okay, well, it's clearly, I'm saying a skin serum, just saying overly confidently, but it could be anything.
Let's give you a little clue.
Okay.
So this contains rice lipids.
Okay, contains rice lipids. Rice lipids are a really, really lovely ingredient. It's an ingredient which I really like. It's good for skin barrier. They're really hydrating, good for plumping the skin. We do have a few products with rice lipids in. Okay, can I have another clue?
This also contains ectoin.
Contains ectoin.
Might help narrow it down a little bit for you.
Okay. Okay, so good. So this is really, really hydrating. It's gonna be really good for your skin barrier. Guys, you've made this really tough. This is a tough one. You made it too easy the first time and I got really confident and now you've stitched me. Okay, so my only clues that I've got so far, it's got rice lipids, it's got ectoin, it's launching soon. Is this The Ordinary? Yes?
Correct.
You've got
Guys.
Good job.
I did try this when the team had first shared it with us and it's stunning. And while it's actually I'd forgotten about how lovely this finish is. So as you can see, it's a really, really light formula. So one tiny drop would really, really do a lot of really good for your skin. Great price point as well, which is always lovely to have. Amazing quality ingredients, which you'll always get from The Ordinary, but at an incredible price point. So you can really see the difference on the lovely skin that I've smoothed there versus the very tired, cold hand here. But yeah, gorgeous, lovely. This is gonna be really, really good. Highly recommend this, stunning. Got to the blindfold again?
Yeah, pop that on.
Guys, okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Right. Ooh.
Lovely.
Oh my God, what is that? Okay.
How does that feel to you?
This feels smooth, it feels slippery, it feels a little slimy. No fragrance. So I think it's definitely a mask. It's definitely a sheet mask. I can feel the holes in it and the texture. Guys, you're gonna think I'm cheating, but I think I know exactly what this is. Because if it's what I think it is, I put one on last night while I was sleeping. I think it might be my favorite, which is the Biodance sleeping mask.
Yeah.
That's it.
Am I right?
Yeah, you got it.
Yes! Okay. I use this genuinely 3 times a week and it is incredible. So when you put it on, as you can see, it's sort of white and opaque, but you put it on to sleep in, or for like 3 or 4 hours if you're working from home and have no calls, or if you have calls and you don't care. But so you normally sleep in it and it goes transparent overnight while you're sleeping. I personally don't mind sleeping in it. I don't find it an issue at all. My husband finds it horrifying, but I'm very happy with it. And it goes completely transparent by morning and you genuinely will wake up with glass skin of your dreams in the morning. I thought this was hype. I did not buy into this. I'd seen it loads on my social media and I was not convinced until our skincare buyer, Lauren, came over to me and gave me a packet of this and said that her skin had never been better after sleeping in it. And I took her word for it because I trust her, she's the expert. And she was right. I now sleep in this whenever I've got an event or something to do the next day. As I said, I wore it last night because I knew that I was gonna be filmed today. And you wake up with the glass skin of your dreams the next morning. It honestly is one of the biggest game changers. When you see products like this that deliver the results that it delivers, it's because it's relying on that Korean science, which genuinely is the leading and the best in the world. And the results speak for themselves. It's genuinely incredible. I'm saying this like friend to friend. You have to try this. It's really, really good.
So how do you think you did?
That guess the product was one of the hardest challenges I've been set because the pressure of getting it wrong, and my buyers would be furious if I did get them wrong. Being presented with the serum in just a plain pipette, terrifying. But I think I did pretty well. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Shop my new season obsessions at LOOKFANTASTIC.